Okay, so we want to go to now we robbed a couple of frames 2 weeks ago. We robbed a couple of frames up here, and I have one we didn't actually dig to those frames that we cleared out. So on this one, we'll actually get to see a little bit about how much they've done to draw out new comb in those.
It has very little comb.
And it had very little comb before. But there's honey on it.
Okay.
Capped honey, in fact.
Okay. Nice.
This one's heavy.
It's heavy with bees. On the other side, it doesn't look like there's a lot of capped over. It's capped on the top half, but not the bottom. It's about halfway capped over. So it wouldn't be one we'd want to take because we don't want that raw honey or the green honey. The green honey would make our honey nice and too liquidy. We want the stuff that's capped.
It's better on this side, but I'm not debating your call. I think you're 100% right.
Yeah, because otherwise we'll get half liquid and half not.
Especially on the other side where, yeah.
Exactly. Did you get some?
No.
Okay.
But was it from a lack of trying? Like you can actually feel them try with these latex gloves. You can feel them going. Well, they're just going like that. They're not so much like that. I exaggerated.
Okay, and I believe...
Was it 3 and 4 that we took before?
3 and 4 or 4 and 5.
This one feels really heavy. I'm going to set this up here and brush some.
Nice and, oh wow, it's got a lot of capped
Have
honey.
the flashlight. Those are uncapped. That's uncapped honey. Just those two.
What's that one there? Green. There's something green right there.
I'm going to guess pollen.
Huh.
Green pollen? I know. I heard me say it too. But it's like, what else could it be?
It is bright green.
And this is fully capped on this side. So if we take this as a candidate, and I'm going to slide it line back here, okay?
Okay.
Definitely a candidate.
Lots of bees.
Now, by now, this should be one that we took before.
Yes.
And already it feels lighter.
Oh. Yeah, they barely have it.
No, honey. There was a piece of it that was actually connected to the previous bar.
Oh no.
So let's see what happened there.
Oh. Is it going to come up?
See, they built this comb funny. Now I'm going to leave it as is. This thing's filled with nectar. I mean, this is one of the bars we took last time.
Shoot, that wasn't happy.
That was a bad deal.
Okay. Do you need me to hold that? Do you need me to hold that?
I have to fish that out. It's going to set light. I want something to put it on.
Okay, let me go grab a pan, baby pan.
Because this is full of nectar, green honey, and I can't take it, and it's not something I'm going to be able to use. But what I can do is I can fish all that out. This was a very big tragedy. I'm going to fish that out of there, and I'm just going to lay it out here for those bees to feed on, and they'll be able to gather all that nectar and honey up, and so it won't be wasted. So it's their food. They need it. I'm going to give it back to them. They will rebuild the comb, and they will put that nectar back in there. and so it will still be good for their food during the winter. Lots of time to recover though. Okay, good deal. Oh, the spatula, something simple.
Spatula and a spoon. I'm not sure if that spatula is coming up.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, let's see what we can do. I'm going to need to clean off the work area. Let's take that. We'll just set it up there.
This is going to be surgery. And you get to witness it. Good thing I went and got new batteries.
Okay, let me get these bees out of the way. Because I'm going to put this up there. And I'm going to set the...
Right. Tray right there.
Okay. Won't be needing these for a while.
Okay. Do you want me to get it on one side?
Just hold me up.
Okay.
It's going to be heavy. They're going to hate me for this.
That is so sad. That wax was so soft that it just melted.
You know, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. We're trying to do this before it got too warm. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, look at this.
Oh, poor bees.
I want to try to scrape out as much as I can to put it up here because there's a bunch of bees stuck in it now. And certainly some, a lot, they're not going to survive this. So I need to get as much as I can out of there so they don't have a big clump of dead bees in there. A few that they will bring out of the opening, but that would have been too many.
We don't want it to be jammed up.
Don't want to clog it.
My brother's Clifford Spike, he had a problem. There's just a little opening here for the bees to get in and out. And he had some dead bees, and they tried to get them all out, and it clogged up their opening, and so they were stuck inside and had no way of getting out until he took something and dug them out from the front. So we wouldn't want that to happen.
A lot of that chunk that fell off came up with this bar. And see, that was capped honey too.
Yeah.
That bar was capped honey. So that's probably one that we would have taken, but not so much anymore. See what this one's got to offer.
That was so sad.
Yeah.
And the one that you put up here,
That's the light thing.
the bar that you stuck up on top melted down through. This one's got brood.
Definitely there.
We got larvae at the bottom.
Yeah, that's larva. So.
And it looks like larva and honey on the next one.
So in all likelihood, we may be able to get that one bar that we sat up there and said we'd think about it.
But I almost hate to do that when you...
What, they've got, I'm giving all of it back. Okay, so I'm not too worried about that.
Brood there. Brood and honey.
No, that's nectar at the bottom.
Oh, is it?
This has had brood out of it before.
This is sparkling.
I can't see.
I'm fine, waiting for...
I'm going to take this over again. Out here in the light. So here's the story. Down here, oh, could you grab me the brush?